Look at this, perfect. Look at our view, wow. So we have just made it to our next hotel and it's called the Rendezvous Hotel.
So I'll just need to double confirm that your name is correct, as well as your phone number, and then we collect a $50 pre-authorization. It's like a bond, and it'll be released back to you once you check out.
Yeah, sure. Tick the parking for 2 of them, but it's first in, first served. So hopefully there's parking spots. What happens if we don't find parking?
Yeah, so after this I can show you alternatives just in case you can't get parking as well.
Yeah.
So it's actually one opposite the road, this side, and one behind the bus stop over there.
Okay.
Yeah, so the bus stop one is from 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. It's free of charge, and then 4 hours during the day. So you have drinks voucher as well. So yeah, the drinks voucher can be claimed behind the restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just show them this card, and then you can just get whatever drink you want.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Wow, free drink. I don't know, she reckons it's a better hotel than the ones we've gone to in Canada.
Wow.
That's a big call.
Was that one facing the mountains as well? Yeah. So this one is the deluxe family room.
Awesome.
Yep. And you're on the waterfall building.
Yep. Thank you so much. Appreciate your help. Thank you. Thank you. Alright guys, we're out of the lift. And this foyer looks like it's presidential. It's so fancy. Look at it. Em's leading the way slowly.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Oh, wow.
And a TV that works, thank god!
That's so cool. Oh, look at the view.
Dad got a pen!
Wow.
They've got a whole menu!
And look at the view, guys. Wow.
Okay, so we just checked into the Rendezvous Hotel at Queenstown. I'm going to give you a very quick tour of our room. So you kind of walk in and you've got the bathroom on the right-hand side. Oh, it's pretty spacious. So we've got a bathtub here. You've got the toilet. You've got a sink. A decent shower. And then you've got, what is that? Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You've got a decent sized shower. And then you walk out and you've got some cupboards here. Now what's in these cupboards? Oh, okay, so you've got an ironing board and hangers and luggage storage. You've got a safe, some toilet paper, iron, and a hairdryer. And then you've got more storage for your clothes here. And what's in this one? Oh, okay, sweet. And then you've got some coffee and tea making facilities and a mini bar fridge. Oh, sweet. That's pretty cool. And then we've got a long mirror. Pretty cool. And look at this. We have a double-sized bed. We've got 2 singles, perfect to fit all of us in. And then you've got the telephone there with a lamp and a side table. You've got the 2 single beds. You've got the air conditioning, and look at our view. Look at our view. Look at that. Wow. Mountains. Look. That is our view. How amazing is that? And then over here, we've got a little table and chairs. We've got rubbish. We've got a chair and a table. And then we have the TV. So, not bad. Pretty clean. We're actually staying here for 2 nights. So far, so good.